Merry Christmas from Relive Philippines. Wow! Relive is offering for 12 days of Christmas from December 1 to December 12 free preferred customer membership. Paano yun? That's 1,000 pesos worth of membership, lifetime na yun. So how does that work? You basically give us the information, your name, your telephone number, your address, and kami na po ang mag-process nun. So nothing to pay. But you must purchase any of our products, maski anong product, bilhin ninyo. So instead na ito na SRP is 1,900, magiging 1,520 na lang. And any of our products that we have in Relive. And then later on, you may want to level up and join us in the business, or maybe you want a higher discount para naman sa consumption ninyo. Pwedeng-pwede yun. And there's no monthly buying necessary. So what comes with the kit na 2,500, biruin mo, instead of 3,500, magiging 2,500 na lang because free yung 1,000 pesos. So with the kit, it comes with 2 boxes of sachet. So 20 sachets na yun. And then our best ever Lunar Rich X capsule. And then meron tayong shaker cup. And meron din tayong eco bag portfolio nandito sa loob. And you can do the business, you can share it with friends and family, and earn some extra income. Para naman sa 2021, you can live happier, healthier, and relive our lives again. So again, message the person that has shared this video and send them the information. And remember, hanggang December 12 lang ito. So this is a wonderful promo that we have for you, our customers, so you can get on the best product for the best health ever for your children, your family, yourself, most especially. And again, Merry Christmas.